Hey guys, it is Miss McDade here. I'm going to be going over the math lesson that we on today if you were not able to join us, which is Unit 7, 1.1, liters or milliliters. So first we're going to talk about the objective. We're going to talk about what is a milliliter and what is a liter. I'm going to give you situations where you have to determine if it's better to measure it with milliliters or if it's better to measure it with liters. And then I'm going to give you your assignment. So your objective is that you can measure liquid volumes of objects. So again, liters and milliliters are only for liquid volume. So anything that is a liquid. A liter is a unit of measurement and it's used to measure liquid volume. So a cart of juice holds about a liter, or like a 2-liter bottle of soda that you can get at the store, which is those bigger plastic bottles of soda. Now, a milliliter is a smaller unit of measurement. It's usually like, imagine these little eye drops here. So like 1,000 milliliters would be equal to this carton of juice here. Okay, so a milliliter is for a lot smaller volumes of water. Now we have a little time to climb, which we didn't get to do today, but we're going to go over what the questions are. So like, what would a bottle of glue be measured in? Now, a liter is pretty big, and that's bigger than a bottle of glue, so you would want to use a milliliter to measure a bottle of glue. Now, a bathtub is giant, so you wouldn't want to use a milliliter because it would take you hours to do a drop after drop after drop to fill up a bathtub, so you would want to use liters to measure a bathtub in. For a jug of milk, would you want to use 2 drops of water or 2 liters full to measure it? I would say 2 liters full as well. For a pitcher of lemonade, you again wouldn't want to use 2 milliliters, you'd only want to use liters to measure the pitcher of lemonade. Same with a bucket of water. 60 milliliters, yes, they're 60, but it's just 60 drops. And liters are still the larger unit of measurement. Now, when it comes to story problems, you're going to want to look at the units of measurement that are there, 4 liters and 3 liters here. Lacey is making cranberry lemonade for her birthday party. If she mixes 4 liters of lemonade and 3 liters of cranberry juice, how many liters of cranberry lemonade will she have? So what you do is you take those 2 units of measurement and you add them together in order to get your answer. Make sure that you guys, when you do this worksheet, which is on the Google Classroom, make sure that you are adding the unit of measurement on it. Now, as far as the Google Classroom is concerned, please make sure that you are looking onto it because that's where all of our assignments are going to be located. So, for example, this one is under the assignment here, Pearson Realized Unit 1 Story Problems, and this is where the assignment is. So it looks like a couple of you haven't gotten a chance to finish it, but if for some reason it's not showing up, I did post on here math pages, which has some of the problems on here, okay? So again, liters and milliliters, different parts of measurement.